All right, hello friends. January 21st, 2025. We're getting ready for the big snowstorm that's about to hit here. Can't wait. Why don't you come along with us? The clouds are already starting to look like winter weather. What do you think?
It's crazy.
You ready for this?
Yes. Yes.
I know. Not sure if you can see it, but it's finally coming down now. Him! What's up?
Oh my God.
Snow!
Oh my God.
What do you think?
This is so weird.
It is January 21st, 2025, Northwest Florida. Snow! Snow! How y'all doing up there? Oh man, this is crazy. All right, babe, what do you think?
This is insane.
Yes.
Oh my God.
We're out here with our neighbors. So it snowed here in 1993 when I first moved here, and yeah, it's finally here. This is crazy. Molly, hi, baby. Are you playing in the snow? Heading down here to check out. Here's the bay, the bridge heading over to Destin. And it's snowing. We are literally in the snow on the beach. All right, well, we're looking back at the Mid-Bay Bridge going over to Destin. And this is crazy. I don't know how else to describe it.
No way.
This is nuts.
Yeah.
I mean, like, look at all this. Look at all this snow. Hey, Em. Emma's back there. And it just started. It has just started. I mean, we've got another 5 hours of snow in the forecast. So we're gonna have to see what this ends up being. But yeah, we're glad you came along with us to check it out.
It's fun.
All right, well, if you're again familiar with the Destin area, we're right here by the road that goes to the Mid-Bay Bridge, and everybody is out here sledding down the embankment. Emma has brought her boogie board, and we're gonna do it, right? All right, here comes Emma.
Oh my God.
Are those hand warmers still working? Are they wet, right?
You got a snow angel going on?
This is the road. This is the road.
All right, what do you think of our first snow in Florida?
It's crazy.
Yeah, crazy, and it is.
It's a lot.
It is not letting up anytime soon. Yeah, this is awesome. And we used a boogie board to sled. I can't even hold the phone. My hands are so frozen I can't even hold the phone steady.
Molly, come on, come on, come on.
Come on, Molly.
Come on, baby girl.
Oh my gosh.
It's the biggest snow angel I've ever
Okay.
seen.
Let's see how my snow angel looks. Yes. Well, it's the next day. For you guys who live up in the north, you're probably really used to this, but it's 16 degrees and the wind chill is 6. Crazy again for Florida, but when I look around here, I'm just outside my neighborhood and it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Well, we'll have to see how long it takes to get back to normal, because I know we're supposed to have a sunny day today, but these roads, they are just ice. And I'm not sure anybody around here really knows how to drive on that type of stuff. It looks like we got about 5 or 6 inches. So yeah, quite a bit of snow. Well, we get our fair share of hurricanes, but this may go down as the craziest storm that the Gulf Coast has ever experienced. And man, we're really glad you came along with us. This area is going to set all kinds of records. Most of you guys don't see the area unless it's during the summertime, and it's beautiful there too. But just wanted to bring you something really neat, something unique that Northwest Florida is experiencing. So we're glad you came along with us, and thank you for watching the Butler Family Adventures.